Now, remind me why we moved here?
Because you love me. That's why.
Is that why?
That's why. Because you love me.
Yes, dear. I don't know about how much you love me right now.
And why?
Because you dragged me into this snow hell.
It's only this way for about 8 months.
Yeah, it is.
Sorry about last night, guys. There's a lot going on right now. With people in hospitals and just things going wrong and me stressing out and me not feeling well and just overwhelmed. And I'm just not having a good time with things right now.
And it's snowing.
And that I like.
But you're not out there in it.
I talked to Michelle this morning. They already have like 14 inches on the ground.
Yeah, I know. They're supposed to have it worse than us.
Yeah.
So, but it's pretty bad right now. It is getting pretty bad out there.
Yeah.
I don't know if I should be running over to...
Well, see how much is out there? I figure probably about 3 o'clock you should run over there and do the driveway. Even if it's still coming down.
Mm-hmm.
Before it gets too deep.
I keep wanting to finish that stupid tractor.
No, I'm not stopping you. I let you work on it yesterday.
Yesterday I spent the whole day snow blowing. The day before I managed to get the back tires.
Well, I don't stop you. When you want to work on it, I let you work on it. I don't stop you. I've been doing this stuff up here.
Mm-hmm.
Have I not?
Yes, dear. But I get worried about you. I stick around.
You don't need to worry about me.
You worry me. You worry Nora. You worry Cardboard Daryl.
Oh, speaking of which, don't forget your card's still on the floor back there.
My what's back there?
Your charge card.
You know, never mind. Throwing stuff at... You threw it towards Daryl, didn't you?
Well, he needed it.
Uh-huh.
He needed to buy a new jacket.
Uh-huh. He needs more squirrel. Yeah, blizzard. I'm told that it's worse down southern New Hampshire than it is up here. But, of course, I need to go to the store today. I need to go to the store every day. Terrible at shopping. So, we're gonna go real slow. It's 27 degrees, which is actually warmer than it's been. Nice and comfy inside the truck. And I'll let you guys see the fun that I'm dealing with. I'm already kind of slippy sliding. Gotta be careful. Alright, so I did a really big shopping. Hopefully I will never have to get out in this weather for the rest of this weekend. waiting to warm up a little bit before I take off. Trying to figure out the best way I'm going to get into the house. Probably through the garage. I'm exhausted already. Alright, so it's about 3:30. The snow has pretty much stopped. I got a little bit here and there, a little bit. So it's time to go snow blow the apartments. My wife has a dirty mind.
Nonsense. Nonsense, huh, Angel? Nonsense. Can't stop laughing. You talk.
Me talk?
Yeah.
This is all you.
Anyway, guys.
Oh, she's ready.
Did you play for? You want to play? You want to play? Oh, you want to play?
Storm. Val loved it.
What?
I hated it.
Oh, the snowstorm?
Storm.
The snowstorm.
Yeah, what other storm are we having?
I didn't know if you're talking about a movie, for crying out loud. We watch so many movies, I have no idea the names of anything anymore. I have no idea what day it is. It runs all together.
Are you judging her, Boomer? Boomer is judging you.
Boomer. He's staring at my Daryl pillow.
Sure he is.
What do you want? What do you want? Anyway, I'm waiting for UPS. I hope they didn't get stuck in the snow.
Everybody got stuck in the snow. We had supposed to have a delivery, an oil delivery today, and it didn't happen, which makes me mad.
You can't help. I mean, if they're stuck in the snow, they're stuck in the snow.
But there's no way of getting a hold of them. You can't tell if they're delivered it, if they haven't delivered. The only way you can tell if they delivered it is look for footprints in the snow.
Or bang on the tank.
No, that doesn't really help because the tanks, I'm told, are double hulled and they always sound empty.
Oh, okay. So we got a call tomorrow morning and find out why they didn't deliver. Hi, Nora. Find out why they didn't deliver. What is she playing with?
I don't know. I thought she came to judge you.
Nora doesn't judge me. Nora
Boomer
never-
judges you. Look at that.
Look at the way Angel just sprawled right out here.
That's right. So, I pushed a snowblower all day.
Yes, you did.
All day.
Yes, you did.
All day. And when I wasn't doing that, I was pushing a shovel. Didn't get anything else done.
Well, what's it?
I did go to the store, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
I spent money.
Yes, you did.
Good at that. Very good at that. She's better at it than I am, though.
Tomorrow, we're not supposed to get any snow tomorrow.
We're not? So we're only going to get about 3 or 4 inches.
No snow tomorrow, but Thursday it's supposed to snow.
So that's a foot. All right.
You want to wrap it up?
Yeah. I have nothing else to say except I hurt and I'm tired.
We're going to go ahead and call it an evening.
Really?
Yeah.
Judging you both now.
What? We'll see you tomorrow. I love you. Good girl. Good enough. Her voice hurts.
I
She's getting
know.
old.
We're all getting old.
Speak for
We're
yourself.
all
I'm
getting
29.
old.
Good night.
Bye.